Welcome back. The next aspect of risk and uncertainty that we'll be looking at is what we call discounted payback period. It also falls under risk and uncertainties. And a discounted payback period is usually calculated in the same way as the ordinary payback period. The only difference is that the cash flows of the project are first discounted to their present values. The discounted payback period is the number of years before the cumulative net present value of the project reaches 0. What we do here is that instead of using the ordinary payback period to decide if a project is acceptable, discounted payback period might also be used as an alternative. A maximum discounted payback period is usually established just as we have done under the ordinary payback period, and it is expected that the project should not be undertaken if they could not pay back within the limited time set by the company. So what the maximum discounted payback period is talking about is a policy that has been put in place by the organization in respect of the time taken to recoup a particular investment. Okay, so if we're dealing with the discounted payback period, this major difference between this and the ordinary payback period is that there will be a discount rate or a discount factor that will be used. So having said this, let us see how to apply this. The following information was provided to you by Platinum Gold Solutions regarding a new investment. It is a new investment project it is considering. The company's policy regarding investment of this nature is a payback period of 5 years. Using the information provided below, advice on the acceptability of the project. So we have 6 years information and the various cash flows, and we have to use a cost of capital of 10%. Okay, so we discounted payback period. Starting with year 0, the cash flow, discount factor at 10%. Then we have the discounted cash flow or the present value. Then I'll have the cumulative discounted cash flow. So this discounted cash flow serves as our present value, and this one is the cumulative net present value. Okay, so in year 0 we have 200,000. Anything raised to power 0 is actually 1, so the discounted cash flow is 200,000, meaning that 200,000 is what is needed to be recovered. In year 1, 40,000 realized. The discount factor is 0.909. So if we multiply this, 40,000 was actually negative, I think. Yes, it's negative. 40,000 times 0.909, that's 36,360. the cumulative discount cash flow becomes minus 200 minus 36,360, still increase to 236,360. In year 2, 30,000 was realized. 30,000. The discount factor is 0.826. Now, if we are going to find the present value of this, it will give us 30,000 times 0.826. We have 24,780. Now, out of 236,360 that the company expects, it only gets 24,780, and what is remaining is 211,580 left to be recovered. Then in year 3, the company made 120,000. Discount factor 0.751. If we multiply 120,000 by 0.751, we have 90,120. Out of 211,580 that is to be recovered, 90,120 was realized in year 3. So the company have 121,460,000 naira left to recover. Then this will extend to year 4. In year 4, it made 150,000. 150,000 in year 4. That's 0.683. Okay, so 150,000 times 0.683, that is a present value of 102,450 out of 121,460 that is left. So the company have 19,010 naira left to recover at the end of year 4. By the end of year 5, the company would actually realize 100,000, and discount factor 0.621. 100,000 times 0.621, that's 62,100, and the company have just 19,010 naira left. So by the end of year 5, the company has actually made even more than it needed. So the discounted payback period is 4 years. That's the last year it has a negative value, and some months before the end of year 5. So what we do now is we charge what is left here from what was actually made. 19,010 divided by 62,100 times 12 months. So we want to know the number of months it took the company to make that amount of money. That is about 4 months. So we can say that discounted payback period is 4 years and 4 months. The company realized the money back within 4 years and 4 months.